What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start Street Kings games in NBA 2K26. If you are not sure how to begin, here's what to do. Go to the court menu and you should see the open court option, but if you are playing Streetball for the first time, you need to go back to the entry area, the same spot where you first entered Street. There you'll see a person standing nearby. Just go up and talk to him. A short cutscene will play where he explains all the rules of Street Kings. You can skip that cutscene if you want by holding A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation. Once the conversation ends, head back to the court menu. And now you'll see the option to open the court. From here, select your opponent, then choose your teammates. You can also change your matchup if you want. After setting everything up, just press start and your Streetball game will begin. Now if you also big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.